In today's fast-paced global market, scaling a business is no longer just about working harder, it's about working smarter. Artificial intelligence has shifted from a futuristic concept to a fundamental business requirement. Today, we are diving deep into how you can leverage AI to automate, optimize, and scale your operations to new heights. The AI advantage. To understand how to scale, we first need to look at the core advantages of an AI-first strategy. It's about moving from reactive management to proactive growth. Why adopt AI now? Why is the world's top elite businesses pivoting to AI right now? First, operational efficiency. You can reduce manual administrative tasks by over 40%. Second, predictive insights allow you to see market shifts before they happen. Third, you can offer hyper-personalization to thousands of clients at once. And finally, real-time risk mitigation keeps your business secure. Strategy number 1, customer support. Strategy number 1 is transforming your customer experience. By implementing AI-driven engagement, you provide 24/7 support. Modern natural language processing doesn't just answer questions, it understands intent and emotion, resolving issues instantly while your team focuses on high-level growth. Strategy number 2, content marketing. Strategy number 2 is content. In the digital age, content is currency. AI copywriting allows you to generate high-converting ads and emails in seconds. Pair this with visual synthesis for professional graphics, and you can scale your brand's social presence without the massive agency costs. Strategy number 3, predictive analytics. Strategy number 3 is data. Stop guessing and start knowing. AI analytics process billions of data points to optimize your inventory and sales pipeline. Whether it's sentiment analysis or dynamic pricing, you're making decisions based on cold, hard facts. Proven efficiency gains. The numbers speak for themselves. Early adopters are seeing a 75% reduction in manual data entry and 10 times faster content production cycles. This isn't just an improvement, it's a total transformation of how business is done. Manual versus AI workflow. Look at the contrast. The traditional method relies on weeks of manual audits and 9 to 5 support staff. The AI-optimized method offers instant dashboards, autonomous outreach, and instant omni-channel support. Which side of the table do you want your business to be on? Strategy number 4, team collaboration. It's important to remember that AI is a co-pilot, not a replacement. It empowers your team to focus on creative, high-value tasks by handling meeting summaries and documentation. A hybrid workforce is proven to be 3 times more productive. ROI of AI implementation. From SaaS and tech to retail and professional services, the return on investment is undeniable. In some sectors, the ROI is as high as 95%. AI is the most efficient investment you can make in your company's future. The big takeaway. As the industry saying goes, AI will not replace businesses, but businesses that use AI will inevitably replace those that do not. The window for early mover advantage is closing. Outro. Are you ready to transform your business? Join our community of AI innovators as we explore the tools of tomorrow. Subscribe for more deep dives into business automation, and visit our website to start your journey. Let's build the future, together.